In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove credit card or debit card from Google Ads account. First, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account that has access to the Google Ads account you want to manage. If you work inside a manager account, select the specific client account before you begin, so the changes apply to the right place. Open your browser and go to ads@google.com, then sign in. Once you're in the Google Ads interface, look toward the top navigation, find the billing area. Depending on your layout, you may see it as billing in the left sidebar or under the Tools and Settings icon, usually represented by a wrench. Click Billing to open the billing center for your account. From there, choose Payment Methods. This page lists the cards or bank accounts linked to your account, along with labels like Primary, Backup, or Expired. Take a moment here to double check you're viewing the correct billing profile, especially if you manage multiple locations or currencies. Find the credit or debit card you want to remove. Next to that card, click Remove. You'll be prompted to confirm the removal. Read the message carefully, then confirm to proceed. If the option to remove is grayed out or you see a message that you can't remove the card, it usually means one of two things. It's the only payment method on file, or it's the primary payment method and there isn't another valid method available. In those cases, Google Ads requires a replacement payment method before you can remove the existing one. If you already have another method on file, you may need to set that one as primary first, then come back and remove the old card. Be aware of any pending charges or thresholds. Even if you pause campaigns, Google Ads may still process a final charge for clicks or impressions that have already accrued. Removing a card won't erase outstanding balances, so it's normal to see one last transaction if there's a remaining amount due. After you confirm removal, the card should disappear from the list. If it still shows, refresh the page to make sure the change is saved. It's a good idea to verify that at least one valid payment method remains on the account if you plan to keep running ads. Without a valid method, your ads may stop serving. That's it. You've navigated to Google's Ads, opened billing, selected payment methods, and removed the card you no longer want on file. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your billing details with confidence.